I want to show you this free plugin that will help you identify any web font on the internet. So first, to install it with your browser open, come to fount.art=work.com. I've left the link in the description for you. I'm doing this in Google Chrome, so my instructions will be Chrome specific. First, make sure your bookmarks bar is open by going to View and making sure Always Show Bookmarks bar is selected on. And from there, simply hover over the Fount button and click and drag it into your bookmarks bar. Once installed, let's put it to the test. So here's the Design with Dale YouTube homepage. So let's turn this plugin on and see if we can identify the fonts. To turn it on, simply click the Fount button in the bookmarks bar. You should now see the cursor has changed to a cross, and all you have to do is hover over the text you'd like to identify and click. And there you go. In the top right hand corner, the plugin will tell you the name of the font and also the size, the weight, and the style according to the CSS. The plugin will also lock the page and prevent any outbound links, so that way you can click on buttons and identify the font. If I click the button, I get the default sans serif, and finally if I click About, it tells me the font is 16 pixels Roboto. When I'm ready to stop using Fount, I can either click this box in the top right, or I can click Fount in the bookmark bar and that will turn it off. So let's try it again. Let's try it on the Design Taxi homepage. So select Fount, let's try the button. So that's Source Sans Pro, the article header is Playfair Display, and the nav bar is a font called Lusitana. If at any time I like the font selected and I want to find out more, I can click View Font on Adobe Fonts, and if applicable, I can see my download and purchase options in Adobe Fonts. One final thing, Fount can only identify web fonts. It can't identify fonts in an image. So for example here, if I click and drag the cursor over, you can see this is text. You can see these tags are text as well. But if we go to the Design Taxi logo and click and drag, we can see this is an image. And I can confirm this by right-clicking and go to Open Image in New Tab. So there we go, you can see that's an image. So Fount will not be able to identify the font in the image. It can only identify actual fonts applied to the text on the web page via the CSS style sheet. So just bear that in mind. And there you have it. That's how to use Fount, an amazing free plugin to identify web fonts on any web page. I really hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, keep on designing, and I will see you for the next tutorial.